this is Debbie, and for today's craft we're going to do a paper magnolia flower. So the supplies that you're going to need are a piece of computer paper, scissors, a pencil, and then highlighters, the yellow and orange color, and tape also. So what you're going to do first is take the computer paper and you're going to fold it up like this. And then you're going to put another fold like this. Then you're going to turn it over and then fold it on the back like that. So now cut the rectangle off. And then open up the pieces of paper, and then you're just going to cut straight down the middle. So that you have 4 squares. And what you're going to do is stack them on top of each other, and then fold over on the crease line, and then you're going to fold over one more time like that.